Hey everybody, this is Kathy Elkins with Premier Marketing, your life marketer here at Premier. I have on the phone with me today Sarah Phillips with National Life Group, LSW. How are you doing today, Sarah?
I'm doing excellent. How about yourself?
Doing great myself, thank you. Thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule. I know you're busy just like everybody else and wanting to share with us your Rapid Protect product. It's a brand new IUL instant decision product that is turning heads. Agents are loving this product. So I'm going to give you some time to kind of explain to everybody why it's working and how this could work for each agent that's listening to this.
Yes, absolutely. So thank you so much, Premier, for having National Life Group on. It's been certainly a great ride, and 2026 is going to be an even better year. So number one in the IUL market, we've been that way going on 4 years now. We are the number 7 top insurance carrier in the nation. We launched Rapid Protect the end of October last year. And there's an interesting slide that comes up for Rapid Protect, and it's right here. So out of the entire pie of life insurance business, whether it was a cash value accumulation or just a quick IUL or protection-focused life insurance, that's where Rapid Protect fits in. So it was roughly $1.4 billion left on the table for an instant decision protection-focused life insurance product. The best thing that I love about this product, guys, is that it's only 17 health questions. So for those of you out there that are brand new to life insurance, or maybe you've done the P&C world, or open enrollment just ended for the healthcare space, this is a perfect segue for that client that you've been sitting down with for already maybe 45 minutes to an hour. It's a 10 to 15 minute application. Again, only 17 health questions for Rapid Protect. Your client is going to be bonded and issued in 90 seconds upon approval. So definitely Rapid Protect leads the way. So fewer core health questions may lead to a faster application process. Available for the juvenile market, and that's a great thing to point out as far as competitive nature. Typically, it is going to be 18 and older for instant decision products with our competitors. 0 to 60 will be the issue ages for Rapid Protect. Now, you have standard and express standard tobacco available on both. Most other carriers only offer standard. So that's a great thing to offer. Now, National Life Group offers the most critical illness and injury triggers. Stay tuned to our series, folks, because we're going to have some in-depth information on our ABRs as well. Terminal illness, life expectancy is 24 months. Most other carriers, it's going to be 12 months. Alzheimer's rider covering Alzheimer's and Lewy body dementia. So where exactly does Rapid Protect fit? So it is a protection-focused indexed universal life. So you're still building pretty significant cash growth. So keep that in mind. We're not losing that aspect of an IUL. Now, it has the death benefit, the accelerated benefit riders for qualified insureds, and a 15-year policy protection period. Streamlined illustrations and fewer core health questions. The death benefit can be approved and bonded in minutes, and policy is e-delivered. So permanent life insurance may definitely quick and convenient. Now, the nuts of Rapid Protect, nuts and bolts. So the primary focus, again, is going to be death benefit. We talked about standard being the level for a rate class. Now, the caveat here is that if your client doesn't qualify for Rapid Protect because maybe they got a better rating than standard, or maybe they got an express standard too, doesn't mean that they're declined from life insurance altogether. You could always pivot to another permanent, as you can see, our Flex Life or Summit Life, or even a term. So when it comes to indexing options, keeping it simple with just the S&P, and then the available riders with ABRs and the overloan only. So death benefit approval and bonding speed in minutes. I've been with clients, folks, doing the app, 15 minutes, 90 seconds later, they get a message saying that they have a policy approved. So the good news for this one, when it comes to our foreign national market, we have one of the most lenient requirements, but seeing how this is an instant decision product, it's not designed to go through a back and forth with underwriting. So you're going to have a social on this one. And then the owner insured must be the same. So juvenile cases, obviously, we know that they're going to be owned by the parent or legal guardian. So your true market for this one is anybody from 0 to 60. This is a great way to get someone's foot in the door to start that peace of mind of protection with the amount that they have. So for instance, someone signs up for another type of policy. 9 times out of 10, folks don't want to sit around for an hour and fill out an application or go through such rigorous in-depth health questions. So as long as they've seen the doctor, right, within the last 12 months or the calendar year, they've had their age-appropriate checkups, meaning, each age group comes up, you got certain things you got to knock out. I'm coming up on my 40th birthday too, so there's some things that I need to knock out. As long as all these things are taken care of, you're good to go with that simple process of only 17 health questions. So here at National Life, we're all about a team effort. So keep in mind, anytime you guys need any assistance, myself, the team is definitely here. We have a wonderful sales desk too that can guide you through illustrations, go in depth on product knowledge as well. So never forget that we're here to help you folks along the way. So we talked about 0 to 60 for issue ages. 50 to 500,000 is going to be your death benefit range. And then we talked about our rate classes, our interest crediting, okay, accumulation bonus, surrender schedule, and obviously the vast riders that it has. Folks, to have a full chassis of ABRs on an instant decision on a Rapid Protect product is second to none. I can't tell you the peace of mind that it brings to every client and every person that we talk about and every policy that we touch to. So term conversions into this policy is going to be a no-go because of that instant decision, and it's available in all states except for New York. Alrighty, folks, Rapid Protect, instant decision, 17 health questions, a 10 to 15 minute application. There's no reason why this shouldn't be an easy segue to get yourself into life insurance or to transform your existing book of business and expanding that even further to help you grow and provide peace of mind in your community. Appreciate you guys so much, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Hey, Sarah, thank you for helping out with this. This was great information. Very short, very sweet. A lot of your clients are going to be able to fit this need for a quick, easy, instant decision. I like the 90 seconds, and it's a bounded contract for your clients. E-application makes everything so much sweeter and easier on the agents. So thank you for sharing this and taking your time with us. If the agents need to give you a call, what is that number they can reach out to you?
Absolutely. Yeah, sales desk number is 800-906-3310. And I'll do you one even better. My direct number is 214-638-9311.
Thank you for doing that. And if you need help with Premier, you want to make sure that you're set up with National Life Group, make sure you're reaching out to 800-365-8208. The team extension for life is 607. We're here to help you make sure that you're getting set up, help you run any additional quotes, or answer any questions that you have. Thanks, Sarah, for doing this, and thank you, everybody, for taking your time to join us today. Take care.
Thank you all.